Uh-huh. Okay. Today, hello all, good morning. Myself Ganesh. Today we'll discuss about main all configuration files in the IBM WebSphere application server. Now, main configuration files for IBM WebSphere application server. Okay. Today, okay. First one. I've opened my VMware workstation. I'm opening mobile storm. This is my address. This is my address. I will zoom it, my screen. Okay. Suppose in the concept wise, installation manager configuration files, installation manager configuration files, that is, that is, first one, config.ini is the main configuration file for IBM installation manager. In this config.ini displays the displays the exact version of exact version of exact version of IBM installation manager. I will show you the evidence. This is the one of the most latest interview question. One of the most interview question. I will show you this answer. I will show you this answer in this IM dot internal version is equal to 1.8.0, or it will show based on the versions, okay, or 1.9.0 or 1.9.2. it will displays. For example, I will show you the evidence. cd slash opt IBM installation manager eclipse. In this cd configurations ls space hyphen lt or pwd. This is the configuration file location. This is the location of the configuration file. We have open vim config.ini. We can open same thing here, vim config.ini. See, this is the configuration file. In this configuration file, this is the content. In this is the content. In the content, this is im.internal version is there. This is im.internal version or im.version is available in the real-time scenarios. This is the most latest interview question. Okay, this is the most latest interview question. So after this, another way to find out installation manager, another way to find out installation manager version, installation manager version by using the below command, dot slash imcl list installed packages hyphen c or I use hyphen long or don't use anything, don't use, or you can use based on this, you can use both of this. In this command, go to cd slash opt IBM installation manager Eclipse comma tools, run the below command. Sorry, I already given it. In this, run the or execute the below commands. Same thing I will execute in this. Okay, same thing I will execute in my machine. cd, one step back, cd tools, shift insert. Okay, you can press V. See, this is the view installed packages. Type V. No package displayed, right? So in this scenario, sometimes it will display X exit. In this scenario, we can use hyphen long. Sometimes it will display. See, this is the display exactly information. This I using this hyphen long. It will display the exact information. Com dot. This is the version. This is the package ID. 1.9.0 is my package ID. com.ibm.cic.agent 1.9.0. Okay, 1.9.0. There are two ways to install. In VAS admin user. That is dot slash imcl. Go to slash opt. I created one folder im. In this im, I have already unzipped the packages. In this, go to the tools. You can run the command dot slash imcl install offering id of the installation manager cic.agent hyphen installation directory. How to find out offering id? I will show you. Slash opt IBM installation manager slash hyphen accept license space hyphen show progress. This is the main. I will show you how to find out offering ID of the installation manager by using repository.xml is there, already discussed in earlier classes. In this repository.xml, we will find out offering ID of the any product. I will show you. This is the main thing. I will show you slash opt im slash opt. What is the folder I created? Yeah, here I am by mistake. Here only I unzipped files. Okay. So in this ls, in this there is the repository.xml file is there. See, in this repository.xml, use cat repository.xml. So this is the actual offering ID. So we will show you exact offering ID. Vim repository.xml. See, this is the offering ID. See, this is the offering ID. It will come. See, you can use this. Any product offering ID we can place it as repository.xml. Okay, repository.xml. So this is the main configuration file in IBM WebSphere application server. This is the main configuration file, and below are the commands to install the installation manager. Dot slash user install c hyphen installation directory. This way also you can install opt IBM installation manager hyphen accept license hyphen show progress. You can use installation manager by using this command also. I will show you this cd tools cd tools. I creating one folder slash opt. I created one folder im. Okay, this is I created one folder. In this folder I am installing the installation manager. Dot slash imcl install com.ibm.cic.agent. This is the offering ID hyphen installation directory. This is the another way to install installation manager opt im installation manager hyphen accept license hyphen show progress. I have already IAM is there. So in this scenario, I will use DL in this location. OPT IAM shared in this location. If already installed, there is no issue. So I will find I have I will find out forgot repositories OPT repository.config. See, already installed. See, installation manager already installed. That is it's showing already installed. If not installed, we can use. Okay. Otherwise, I will use another location DL I will use another location DL. It will use. No, it already installed, no issues. That is, this is also main command to install. Okay, /imcl. This is also one of the command. Same thing. I tried so many times in the real time industries. Okay. Another thing is WebSphere configuration files. WebSphere configuration files. There is for installation wise. For installation of the WebSphere, we have to find out one file, either success or failure. That is nothing but post install.log. That is nothing but post install.log. Post install.log. We can find in this log. In this log, we will find out. We will find out. We will find out exactly product will be products installed or installed success or failure. I will show, for example I will show you the evidence. cd opt IBM WebSphere app server. There is, in the app server, there is ls cd logs. In this log, there is post install option is there. We can verify this. The post install verify. In this, fixback is different. We use post install.log tail space -10f. Use post install.log. It will deliver exactly information for fixback. For fixback also same location, but in this folders, fixback folder is created. That is created. Exact location means here Control C, PWD, one step back, PWD, here using ls. This is post install.log ls, and this is fixback directory is there. In the fixback directory, there is post install.log directory is file is there. In the file tail space -1f. 1f is only one line, so we will use 5 lines. Tail means last 5 lines. Say install or success. It will deliver like this. Okay. This also you can find out offering ID. Find out offering ID. offering ID by using repository.xml cd slash opt under the vas there is repository.xml. We can find space dot space hyphen name repository.xml. You can use this command to find out repository.xml. Okay, okay, use cd slash opt enter the vas. I will paste the command. See, this is the command. I will list file is available or not. I will list the command ls file is available vim. This is the offering ID of the WebSphere. Don't use list available packages. This is another way to find out the list. Another way to find out repo of offering ID. Use your another method, same method also, regular method also, no issues. But this is another way. Dot slash imcl list available packages hyphen repositories slash opt under the vas repository.config. See, this is right 8520 like same thing vim slash opt vas. Okay, cd slash opt under the vas. Okay, see offering id underscore it mentioned as underscore 8520 same. Okay, no issues. Otherwise you can type it nd and it will use this. We are use this until here. Okay, I will cd slash opt IBM Installation Manager Eclipse Tools. I will paste this offering ID also. See, no change, right? com.ibm.websphere. I will paste in the here. I will paste here. Same thing. I will copy paste. How many times triggered? Control F. See, it will paste it same as in repository.xml also same. No issues identify. Okay, like this. Okay, same command, same offering ID. So using this command also. Okay, this is the post installed configurations. Come to the profiles, come to the profiles, come to the profiles. Each profile, each profile have some set of configuration files. Some set of configuration files are there. That is config, comma temp, comma double s temp. First installed apps, except logs, apps, comma logs, etc. Logs, etc. How to generate the logs while running the server. This is the most interview question. how to generate the logs while running the server by using dot slash start server dot sh and the server name of the server name we automatically generated system out and system error dot log system out dot log and system error dot log. I will show you this. I will rename this log cd opt IBM WebSphere app server profiles under that DMGR under this logs under this DMGR folder under this I will here I will use I will rename this log. Okay, I will rename this log underscore BKP. Okay, I will start the server. See here no logs are there. Okay, here no logs are there. I will use system error also underscore BKP. I said both are taken backup by in the future purpose. I am not able to create any log here. Okay, here not able to create any logs. Okay, in this automatically generated while starting the server cd bin. Okay, cd bin dot slash clear class catchy dot sh dot slash ojcfg init dot sh. This is the one of the latest interview questions some companies are asking. This is the question how to generate the logs. This is the most interview questions repeatedly in last 5 years. Okay, so I removed temp also, double S temp also. Under this config temp also I am removing. cd bin. I am not remove any configuration files. I only take backup of my old log files due to some reasons. Start server.sh or dmgr or use start manager.sh is the command. I will show you this here backend. Logs are generating. I will show you here. Okay. See cd slash opt IBM WebSphere app server profiles under the DMGR under the logs under that DMGR. In this I see it system out log is generated already backup is there. Okay, this is the way to tell the answer tail space -10f system out log. Okay, this is the way to inform the interview questions. This is the one of the latest interview question for last 5 years asking the same question in so many interviews are facing in real time scenarios. Say DMJAR is started. This is the system out.log. What about system error.log? We are thinking about this system error.log also created December 11th. But my system time is December 11th. That why it's showing like this. Okay, time. Okay, date. See, 11th of December, 10:26, 35 seconds. Okay, IST, Indian Standard Times. So here, like this, This is the most interview questions in the real-time scenarios. Okay. Most important question. After this, in the profiles, in the profiles, in each profile have some configuration file. Some configuration file is there. Some configuration file for IBM WebSphere application server. IBM WebSphere application server. That is most important file is server.xml is the main configuration file for IBM WebSphere application server. IBM WebSphere application server. Okay. In this, every profile have every profile have some default set of port numbers are available. Port numbers are available. In these port numbers, there is two common things available for IBM integrated console. There is one concept is there. Concept is there. That is nothing but virtual host. Virtual host. In the virtual host, all port numbers must and should be defined there. In SSH level, in SSH backend or server level, there is most important configuration file. That is nothing but server index.xml. All port numbers are available. I will show you the evidence. This dmjar cd config under the cell, under this nodes. So dmjar cell under the nodes, under the dmjar node, cd servers, cd dmjar. One step back. ls space -ltr. Find the command dot space slash name star.xml. See dmjar nodes under the nodes, cd dmjar under the nodes. Here I forgot to see this server index.xml is there. In the vim you can use server index.xml. All port numbers are there. This is the cell discovery port number, very important. And cell discovery and node discovery port numbers are available. Bootstrap port number and IPC. Okay. Internet port connector port number. SOAP connector DMJ SOAP connector port number 8879. ORB object request broken 9100. SSL authentication 9401 and CSIP multi authentication level 94.02. Like this. This is the most important configuration file. Okay. Okay. After this, one more important file. All profile information. All profile information will see in the will see in the will see in the when the one log file is there, one file is there, one file is there, that is nothing but about this profile.txt. Okay, in this profile I will show you here same in the log file cd logs. There is ls about this profile.txt is there, web about this profile.txt, host name and all the configuration, all the things are there. Okay, in this this is the thing. Before that we have runtime architecture also is there. Runtime of the runtime of the application server architecture. Application server of the architecture is available. In the runtime architecture, there is components available in application server. In the application server runtime architecture consists of there are some components available. Some components available in the runtime architecture consists of one is embedded HTTP server. Embedded HTTP before WebSphere version 8.5 onwards, there is no web server inside application server architecture. In the inside application server architecture handles this. This is the one of the latest interview question. Architecture, that are the components are embedded HTTP server, and one more thing is there. There is web container. In the web container, in the nothing but JSP and servlets. JSPs and servlets. Most interview questions. This is the most interview questions. Displays the static content. Display the static contents. Extension is .jsp. Extension is the .jsp. Third one is EJB container. Inside EJB containers, EJBs are available. In the EJBs, Java client directly access to EJB container by using operator role or deployer role. Operator role by using deployer role. Okay, in the EJBs nothing but EJBs entity bean and one more thing, session bean and data driven bean. One more thing is that in the session bean One more thing is there. Okay, this is most important file configurations. Under this, message engines. Message engines either automatic generated messages. Today is bank holiday. Due to we are maintaining downtime for this, so please be aware on the messages are there, right? In the messages, in these messages, automatically generated message engines. Okay. Fifth one is naming containers. Naming containers. The sixth one is security. Security. This is security.xml file. Most important, most important file. Okay. After this, seventh one, JMS. JMS. Java Message Services. Java Message Services. This is the main components in the application server runtime architecture. Okay, this is most important interview question. This is the most important question. Okay, after this, 8879 security.xml and one more thing, SSL dot client dot props and client dot props also for TLS version transport layer security. Transport layer security. This will comes under the network security. This will comes under. This will comes under network security or computer networks. Computer networks. Okay. This will comes under computer networks or there are 7 layer securities available. 7 layer security. There are 7 layer security for application level. For application level, one is presentation layer. Presentation layer. Second one is network layer. Third one is transport layer. Fourth one is fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and seventh one. Okay. Transport layer security. Okay. This is 4 to 5, 6, 7. Presentation layer, network layer, application layer. 5, 6, 7. I'm not remember this. Okay. This will be comes under computer networks or network security. And one more thing, session layer. data layer and physical layer. Okay, data layer and physical layer. These are the most important layers in the architecture. This is transport layer, means you can send the packets in the secure level using TLS or SSL. Version is one SSL underscore TLS we are using by default. And one more thing, and TLS version 1.0. One more thing, TLS version 1.1. One more thing, TLS version 1.2. Latest one is TLS underscore 1.3. Okay. In the DMGR console, we are showing here in the DMGR console HTTP. I will show you where it is mentioned in the DMGR console. So here, go to the security, go to SSL certificate and key management. Under this SSL configurations, this is the SSL default SSL settings, quality of protection system settings. This is by default SSL underscore TLS. We can use TLS 1.3. The latest version is in IBM releases. This is okay. These are the versions. Don't put here is authenticated, application required. If you put is required, application is not accessing. This is one of the latest real-time scenarios. Okay. And one more thing, soap.client client.props. This will be there in CD properties. In the properties, this is SAS.client.properties or soap.client.properties. Yes, most important in this show here, your login ID and password is not given here. You can use given and you can log in the DMGR and password. In this, in the WebLogic, that is bootstrap.properties. Properties is available for the for console username and password. So that is port number is 7001. But here soap.client.properties or SAS.client.properties we are using this. Okay. After this, synchronization by using synchronization will use the command /syncnode.sh DMGR hostname or IP address and a DMGR SOAP connector port number. Servers must should be stop all servers running under application level, running under application server profile. but DMGR will be running still. Okay, sometimes it will be hung due to some reasons. There is one concept is there in the Java. In the concept is there in the Java or J2EE Java Enterprise Editions, Java 2 Enterprise Editions. In this waiting time, waiting time, waiting time, and starting time, our OS concept also is there, and operating system concept is there. Waiting time, starting time. This is the most important. One process is starting may be hung due to some reasons, waiting, launching, launching, like this. This is one concept is there. You can learn this concept. One process is running in the back end, child process in the waiting condition and the starting condition, in the stop condition and the launching condition is available. So this is the main. Sometimes hung dot slash syncnode dot sh 192.168.102.128 is my current VM IP address, means our machine name or services or server. 8879 is the SOAP current report number. Okay, you can unsaved configurations must and should be saved. Must and should be saved. Must and should be saved. Okay. This is after this. Everybody understand, right? If any issues, please reach out to me. After this, if backend, one latest interview question, in the backend, we are killed the process forcefully, but still some process are running. Why? Why means why? That is child process. That is child process or created or running. We need to kill them also. We need to kill them also. We need to kill them also. Use kill space -9 PID process ID. PID process ID. Okay. This is the synchronization command and the clusters or federation concept. Every profile have a IBM integrated console before federated into the DMGR. Once federated, the application server console will be disabled. And DMGR console will be added in the application server node. The application server node. I will show you what is the exact app srv srv underscore node 1 plus dmjar cell 1 is equal to dmjar underscore cell 1. Okay. Okay. This is the federation by using dot slash yard node dot sh dmjar hostname or soap connect IP address 192.168.102.128 and soap connector port of the dmgr. Okay, in this yard node dot log will be created. Okay, in this virtual host concept also comes. Okay, virtual host concept also comes. Okay, this clusters nothing but group of the servers either managed or unmanaged servers. In this you can use in the cluster in this system out dot log any issues and system error dot log for memory wise native std out and native std dot log. Okay, this for IHS access.log and error.log. Okay, for plugins plugin.log is there. Okay, if any issues the most configuration file for IHS http d.config for plugins plugin cfg.xml most important file in the plugin cfg.xml file consists of rewrite URLs and URI universal resource indicator, comma JSON ID, comma clone IDs, comma round robin algorithms, etc. And one more thing, virtual host port numbers by generating and propagate plugins, we will establish the connections between IHS2 app server. How to dot slash apache ctl -k start or dot slash apache ctl -k stop. These are the most scenarios. This is the most interview questions. Okay, and this is the most configuration files. Okay, one more configuration files are available under this Under this virtual hosts dot xml and web.xml for deployment ldap ldap vim-config.xml host configuration file ldap port port 389 without security and 636 with security application accessing port number application http accessing port number 9080 and with security 9443 and http for IHS 80 and 443 for security for S and more SSL also. Okay, hypertext transfer protocol and DMGR console port number port HTTP 9060 DMGR console port HTTPS 9043 and increase the minimum and maximum heap size using server.xml or use console level. Okay, these are the main configuration files and WebSphere.xml. Okay, this is under the environment. There is WebSphere variables are there. In the WebSphere variable, these are in the WebSphere variable. You can call it about here variables.xml. Okay, under the cell.xml is available. Under node.xml is available cell discovery default cell.xml default node.xml. I will show you by the by example. cd config under the cell under the dmjar cell under this cd ls cd core groups under that cd default core group under that here cd core group.xml is the most important core group. Under the node group also in the core group all servers available under this in the node group cd under that cat node group.xml all nodes available 7277 is the cell discovery port number. Okay, under this app server installed apps ls space -ltr cd app server under this cd dmjar cell go to one step back cd dmjar under this cd plants by WebSphere application. In the application there is jar file is there or there is plants by where file. Under the where file, there is cd webinf, the webinf cd. This is the most important file, web.xml. Vim, the web.xml, all the servlet class. This is the servlet class are available. Servlet methods are available. Shift to G. C. Most important file is web.xml for deployment wise. Okay, we are using backend also for deployment purpose. Okay, there is /admin command. There is /admin.sh script for deploying the application at same time, more than one application. One application. This is the latest interview question. More than one application. /admin.sh /admin.sh localhost 8879. After this dollar admin, or I use admin.app or admin app. I think the admin app install, use the string, place the string, place where or EAR file. Okay, after this use default bindings. Use default bindings. I think here I think exactly command is same, but small change. You can use online and we use it. But this is the same. Okay, thank you for watching this. This is the main important concept in the real-time scenarios. Okay, please share to your friends and family members, those who are learning IBM WebSphere application server and all the WebLogic and AWS. In my channel, everything is available in the dashboard. Go to the playlist and search the technology and learn. If any issues, please reach out to me.